How do we ensure that costs will not run away and the project will end up over budget? Quite simply, if you think we're a good fit for your project, during our initial meeting we will discuss your requirements in some detail using a structured pre-production planning document. From here, we'll be able to provide a detailed quote, and as long as the parameters don't change in any way, we'll commit to delivering to that quote, which will be either signed off as appropriate or by requesting we start the project. If you or your team decides that changes are required, then we'll try to accommodate any minor amends. We do, however, reserve the right to charge for any additional time required, either during the shoot or during the edit, as a result of any of these changes. These will be at our regular hourly rate, and don't forget that this may well affect any pre-agreed delivery time. We'll always try to discuss any changes prior to progressing with the project.